before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Contrast -26. Highlights -86. Shadows +30. Whites -100. Blacks +100. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Temp -4. Tint -18. Vibrance +40. Saturation -12. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 98. Saturation 13. Blending 100. Glance 15. Slide up. Go to next grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 196. Saturation 13. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue +5. Saturation +25. Go to orange color. Hue +10. Saturation plus 40. Luminance minus 17. Go to yellow color. Hue minus 24. Saturation minus 20. Go to green color. Hue plus 54. Saturation minus 21. Go to aqua color. Hue plus 11. Saturation minus 16. Luminance minus 11. Go to blue color. Hue plus 17. Saturation plus 12. Luminance minus 9. And done. Go to effects. Clarity plus 40. Dehaze plus 38. Vignette minus 15. Slide down. Grain 7. Slide down. Go to Profiles. Slide down. Select Artistic 8. Artistic 8 by 41. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.